What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to get this over with really quick so I don't keep mentioning this throughout the video. If you like this video, please guys subscribe, comment. I think YouTube likes comments. They start to promote videos more if there's comments on it. So leave a comment, let me know what you think, let me know what else you'd want to see on the channel. But anyways, long story short, I bought a 96 Yamaha Banshee from British Columbia. Now I'm in Ontario, so that's the complete other end of the country. So I seen pictures of it, but I don't know much about it other than that. I talked to the guy, he seemed really cool. He dropped it off at a transport shipping depot in BC. I set it all up, and it just arrived out of town about an hour and a half from me, and they close in 2 hours. So we got to get the out of here, and we got to go get this thing. We got to haul ass to get it before they close. So yeah, I'm hoping for the best with this thing. It's kind of a gamble. I've never actually bought something from somewhere else and got it shipped here. It was a first for me, so I'm kind of hoping the guy was honest, but he seemed good. He seemed like a good guy, so I trust him there. Fingers crossed. So I'm going to take off right now, and I'll see you when we get there. I don't think they'll let me film like at the shipping depot when I get there, but I'll film what I can. So see you in a minute. Boys, we got her. Check this thing out. Of course it didn't start. My luck, it's supposed to. I'm not too worried about it. It's been on a truck and bouncing around for the last week, so it doesn't surprise me. Here it is, man. Overall, not bad. All original. It's not mint, obviously, but it's pretty nice. Almost everything seems original on it outside of the bars. But we got her, man. Shit. I was really worried about this not getting it or getting it. It was destroyed. But it's not bad. The only broken thing I noticed is the plastic heel guard on the other side's toast, but the guy did mention that to me, so that's fine. I'm not worried about that. But yeah, let's go clean this thing. It's dirty as
the next day.
So we got JF here trying to start the 70. Oh. Yeah, no. No. What he doesn't know is what I bought in the tent shed that he hasn't seen yet. That I told him I bought, and he didn't believe me when I said I got a KTM 550. Yeah. So I guess we'll go show him the thing. Hey, don't come in. Hey, don't be peeking through the rip either. We got to fix that. No peeking through the rip.
Oh, yeah. Let's see here.
Hold up. No, wait, we got to wait here.
Hey, what the hell? What's that? Oh, boy.
I just got it yesterday, bro.
No way. Where'd you get that?
BC. It got shipped here, man. Tool and Transport.
Yeah, I remember you showing me this one. I didn't know you actually bought it.
There it is, bro.
Damn, dude, does it run?
I had it running yesterday, and I went to start it today, and it didn't start. It's hurting, but let's see here. I'm gonna say it's a no, but That's a no. Yeah, bro.
Okay, well, fuck do I exist? Fuck around.
Yeah. Yeah.
Damn, dude.
Yeah, didn't want to tell you. You didn't believe me. Told
No,
you.
honestly, you gave zero indication.
Zero
that you bought
indication.
this thing. I know
Yeah.
you had sent me the link. And
Yeah.
you're like, oh, it's a good deal, but BC. And I was like, oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, it just came in. Actually, I did have it running yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah, but
Stock pipe.
won't idle, nothing. It's all the carbs probably need to be cleaned. The thing was filthy. Yeah, this is after I cleaned it. I went to a spray wash, cleaned it. Like, it was filthy, filthy, filthy.
You, what's the plan with this? You gonna tear it down or what?
I don't know.
Just gonna rip it like
I
that?
think I am going to tear it down. Not yet. Not probably till the winter. But I kind of want to keep it all stock. I don't know. We'll see what people think. Leave a comment whether you think I should leave it stock or... I kind of want to leave it stock just because it's all there, right? Like, everything's stock on, other than the bars.
Mine was all there, but screw it, man.
But screw it.
Boring.
And you could see
Dude, give me that
that...
seat. I'll switch your seats.
See the fenders all bent?
Yep.
So I was thinking Buddy rolled it, and now that I'm looking at the bars, Buddy definitely rolled it. The bars are tweaked big time. I didn't even realize that.
Hey, I take it for a rip.
Does it have a filter in it at all? Yeah.
Yeah, it's just
Dirty.
Yeah.
So we just got it running. It won't idle. I'm not surprised. Carbs probably got to be gone through. The bike was pretty filthy. Like I said, I cleaned it a bit yesterday, but it's pretty filthy.
Factory air fill out.
Yeah. The clutch, I only drove it up into the back of the truck yesterday up a ramp, and I could tell the clutch doesn't feel too healthy there, but
Get a video of this.
but here it is.
Like
Yeah, you like the hey, you want to laugh too? Look, what does it say there? Look at the key. Huh? Off, right? See how it's in the off position?
Yeah.
Look at this. I kicked the bike over probably 50 times yesterday. No joke. Bump started it down the ramp at the transport place. Everything wouldn't go on. Like, well, this is stupid. It doesn't run. But the key's backwards. You have to kick it over and off.
Your O-ring fell out off your dipstick, eh?
Oh, here, pull it out, put it back in there.
Yeah.
I might have to add a little. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'll add a little bit of oil anyway because
I think you should keep this one original.
I want to. I really do.
It's all there.
And I have the gold wheels in the back.
Oh,
So.
I think get rid of the stupid Canadian.
No, I got to keep the taillight.
No, you gotta get rid
Oh,
of
no way.
That's a Canada only thing. That's
Perfect.
terrible.
But you know this too. You know what's funny? I didn't even know this. I had to talk to a guy.
Yeah.
So this is 96 decals and everything.
Yep.
This is a 97. It's not a 96 and 97. If you look up 97, it's red and yellow. So I messaged the guy because he knows the original owner. He bought it off the original owner. The guy, like, it's his buddy, I guess, lives down the street.
Oh, it's registered late or something?
No, he said no. I said, did you swap the plastics or did your buddy swap the plastics? I'm like, I don't care, right? It doesn't matter.
Yep.
I'm just trying to wonder or find out if it's original or not. And he said, no, I didn't. It's all originally bought it like that, brand new. And then I started messaging another guy, and he said 97 in Canada only was these colors. I didn't know that.
That's pretty neat.
I had no idea. So
That's a cool little, like...
yeah,
piece, right?
so it's all 96 decals. Everything's 96 in the States, but Canada only, I guess, is 97. I don't know.
Original rad.
Yeah. Yeah, there was that broken pipe mount I see in here, but that's easy peasy stuff.
Yeah.
Overall, it looks pretty good.
It's all original. You have everything on there.
Yeah, man.
That's pretty cool.
Except I do want to get another bumper. That's bad, but I'll get another stock bumper.
So originally, Jamie messaged me. He's like, "Oh, I bought a toy. This and
Yeah,
that."
told him I bought a
two-stroke.
I told him I bought a KTM
Yeah, he said
550.
2-stroke and more than 2 tires. So I was like, it's gotta be like a 250R or something there because you love trikes.
Yeah,
Never thought you'd get a freaking Banshee.
I did it, and I kept her. I pulled the sneak card on you.
Yeah, but
The-
now we know it's cheap to ship across the country.
Yeah, I couldn't believe that, guys. Literally, the other end of the country
Yeah.
to here was 290, let's say 300 bucks. Like, that's the reason why it was cheap, because the guy I bought it off of dropped it off at a depot, and I picked it up at a depot. So they didn't actually have to go to the guy's house to get it. They didn't have to drop it off at my house. So it's just depot to depot for them. But regardless, you know, that's whatever.
I'm gonna start buying stuff across the country.
Yeah.
Crazy.
But anyway, that's it for now, guys. Let me know what you think. Like I said, let me know if you think I should keep it original. I think I should.
Yeah.
Or if you want it completely done up. I think...
I wouldn't even question, man. Look.
Yeah,
It's still there.
and here at the end of the day, I don't know if you guys seen the other video. We had one other video where we just mentioned it quickly, but JF actually bought an 02 Banshee,
02.
and that one's getting some goodies on her there. So maybe what we'll do is we'll leave this one as stock as possible,
Yeah.
and we'll do all the fun shit to yours there. And
Well, yeah, the plan is once I get it all rolling and all that, I'm gonna rip the engine out again eventually, and then we'll go big bore on that.
go big bore, big cheech,
Big cheech on that.
big skirt. Cool, that's it, guys. Peace out.